Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 13th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 14 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Indian Air Force has participated in the Pitch Black exercise in. Answer is Australia. The Indian Air Force's Su-30 MKIs has participated in the biennial multinational aerial warfare exercise Pitch Black in Australia. Exercise Pitch Black 2024 is conducting from 12th July to 2nd August. 20 countries with 4,435 personnel and more than 140 aircraft take part in this exercise. The exercise initially began as a unilateral event, but in 1983, it became a joint training event between Australia and the United States. Question number 2. Which state has been awarded the title of Best State in Horticulture in 2024? Answer is Nagaland. Nagaland has been adjudged as the best state in horticulture in the prestigious Agriculture Leadership Awards 2024. Nagaland's victory in the horticulture category stems from its outstanding work in introducing innovative programs and policies for horticulture development. Also, Maharashtra has won the Best Agriculture State Award for 2024. Question number 3. Which state became India's first to appoint 3 transgender police inspectors? Answer is Bihar. For the first time in India, Manvi Madhu Kashyap, a resident of a small village in Bhagalpur, Bihar, has become the India's first transgender sub-inspector. Additionally, the Bihar police has appointed 3 transgender individuals as sub-inspectors, including 2 trans men and 1 trans woman. As to the 2011 census, Bihar has 40,827 transgender individuals in total. Question number 4. Punjab gets its first plant clinic and soil testing laboratory in which district? Answer is Moga district. In Punjab, the first plant clinic and soil testing laboratory of the state has been established in Moga, with a grant from the Niti Aayog. The clinic will provide free soil testing and plant disease diagnosis services to farmers. Moga district is among the aspirational districts of India, and this clinic equipped with modern equipment is a part of development by Niti Aayog. The clinic has been set up with a total cost of 1,25 lakh rupees. Question number 5. Which state set to become India's first to publish People's Biodiversity Register? Answer is Kerala. Kerala was the first state in India to publish the first volume of the People's Biodiversity Register, PBR, across all local bodies. The Kerala State Biodiversity Board complete the updation of the People's Biodiversity Register, PBR, in 50% of local bodies in the state before the end of 2024. Recently, Thajhakara has become the first Gram Panchayat in Alappuzha and one of the first in Kerala to update and publish a comprehensive People's Biodiversity Register, PBR, with the involvement of local communities. Question number 6. Who is the principal sponsor of the Indian team at the 2024 Paris Olympics? Answer is Adani Group. Gautam Adani, chairman of the Adani Group, announced that the Adani Group will be the principal sponsor of the Indian team at the Olympic Games Paris 2024, which will take place in Paris, France, from 26 July to 11 August 2024. The Adani Group also launched a campaign with the hashtag #HashDeshKaGeet at Olympics. Over 100 Indian sportspersons, including 21 shooters, have qualified for the 2024 Paris Olympic Games. Question number 7. Who become official footwear partner for Indian team at the Paris Olympics 2024? Answer is Puma India. Sports brand Puma India has announced a significant partnership with the Indian Olympic Association, IOA, becoming the official footwear partner for the Indian contingent at the Paris Olympics 2024. Alongside the partnership announcement, Puma has launched a large-scale outdoor campaign titled See the Game Like We Do. This campaign aims to leverage the partnership and build excitement around the Indian Olympic team. Question number 8. Who has launched the second edition of the Gains 2024 scheme? Answer is Sanjay Seth. On 10 July 2024, Minister of State Sanjay Seth, under the Ministry of Defence, launched the second edition of the GRSE Accelerated Innovation Nurturing Scheme, Gains 2024, in Kolkata, West Bengal. This innovative scheme by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, GRSE, aims to find solutions for shipyard-related problems and promote technology development through Indian startups. First edition of Gains launched by GRSE in 2023. Question number 9. Who has become the first woman Chief Justice of Lahore High Court of Pakistan? Answer is Alia Neelam. Justice Alia Neelam created history by becoming the first woman to rise to the position of Chief Justice of Pakistan's Lahore High Court after President Asif Ali Zardari approved her appointment. Punjab Governor Sardar Salim Haider Khan administered the oath of office to her. Punjab Province's first woman Chief Minister, Maryam Nawaz, was also present in the oath-taking ceremony. Question number 10. What percentage of constable jobs was reserved for ex-agniviers by CISF and BSF? Answer is 10%. The Central Industrial Security Force, CISF, and the Border Security Force, BSF, have reserved 10% of constable jobs for ex-agniviers. The Agnipath scheme, rolled out on 14 June 2022, provides for the recruitment of youth agniviers between the age groups of 17.5 and 21 years for 4 years, with a provision to retain 25% of them for 15 more years in the Indian Armed Forces. The government extended the upper age limit to 23 years later that year. Question number 11. Dr. Jitendra has been appointed as the new Director General of Police, DGP, of which state? Answer is Telangana. Dr. Jitendra, a 1992 batch IPS officer, is the new Director General of Police, DGP, of Telangana. He replaces Ravi Gupta, who has since been transferred and posted as Special Chief Secretary, Home. Currently serving as the Principal Secretary of the Home Department and holding the position of DGP, Jitendra also has additional responsibilities as the Director General of Vigilance and Enforcement. Question number 12. Which state government will provide bus pass facility to students for 150 kilometers? Answer is Haryana. The Haryana government has decided to extend the bus pass facility for students of government and recognized educational institutions from 60 kilometers to 150 kilometers. The discounted bus passes will be issued to all students of schools, colleges or institutions in Haryana that are recognized by the state government or affiliated with any university or board in the state. Earlier it was limited to only 60 kilometers. Question number 13. Recently, which state government has announced free higher education for EWS and OBC girls? Answer is Maharashtra. On 8 July 2024, the Maharashtra government has announced free higher education for economically weaker section, EWS, socially and economically backward classes, SEBC, and other backward classes, OBCs. The decision will be implemented from academic year 2024 to 25 and is expected to cost 906 crore rupees. Female students whose annual family income is 8 lakh rupees or less and who are from EWS, SEBC and OBC are eligible for this free waiver. Question number 14. Yaroslava Mohuchik of which country has broken the 1987 women's high jump world record? Answer is Ukraine. Ukraine's Yaroslava Mohuchik set a new world record by jumping 2.10 meters in women's high jump at the Paris Diamond League on 7 July and broke the record set since 1987. Stefka Kostadinova, a Bulgarian athlete, previously set the mark with a jump of 2.09 meters in Rome in 1987. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.